Hello everyone, welcome to French Tax Online. My name is Géraud and I'm a French chartered accountant. Today, we're going to discuss what you need to do to sell your property in France. Whether you decide to do all the work yourself or enlist the help of a real estate agency, these are a few key steps to follow. Stay with us to learn more. 1. Determine the selling price. The first crucial step in selling a property in France is to determine its selling price. You have two options. Either do it yourself by researching the market and evaluating your property, or seek assistance from a real estate agency for a professional appraisal. 2. Create a listing. Once you have the selling price, it's time to create a listing. Again, you can do it yourself using real estate listing websites, or entrust this task to a real estate agency which knows how to reach a wider audience. 3. Property viewings. Property viewings are essential to find a buyer. If you have chosen to work with a real estate agency, an agent will handle this step. They will coordinate viewings and keep you informed about potential buyers' feedback. 4. The DPE, Diagnostic de Performance Énergétique. In France, it's mandatory to provide a DPE for your property. This certificate assesses the energy efficiency of your property. Make sure to have this document ready at the beginning of the sales process. 5. Mandatory inspections. In addition to the DPE, there are other mandatory inspections you must provide, such as asbestos, lead, and termite inspections. These inspections ensure the buyer's safety and are an important part of the sales process. Special note on capital gain tax, CGT, for non-EU tax resident selling a property in France. If you are a non-EU tax resident planning to sell a property in France, you may be required to designate a tax representative. This representative will assist in the accurate calculation of your CGT in collaboration with your notary. We are here to offer our expertise and support in this process, so please feel free to get in touch with us. Your peace of mind is our priority. 7. Why choose your own notary? Consider selecting your own notary for your transaction. The notary's role is pivotal, responsible for drafting the sales contract and ensuring a legally sound process. Plus, it doesn't ask any extra cost and ensure they work in your best interest. 8. Solicitors. Optional but reassuring. Although not mandatory, many sellers choose to work with solicitors, lawyers specialized in real estate law, to advise and reassure them throughout the sales process. 9. Valuation of furnishing. If you are selling a furnished property and the value of the furnishing is significant, it may be wise to have this item appraised by an auctioneer, commissaire-priseur in French. This can reduce the basis for notary fees and capital gain tax. 10. Different phases of the sale. The sale of a property in France involves several stages, including the signing of the preliminary sales contract, compromis de vente in French, the withdrawal period, and finally, the signing of the definitive deed of sale. 11. Finalizing the sale. Finalizing the sale involves handing over the keys to the buyer and transferring the property. Don't forget to check for suspensive clauses, as the sale can be cancelled if they are not met. So, you now have a general idea of what you need to do to sell your French property. Whether you choose to do it yourself or with the help of a real estate agency, be sure to follow all the legal and tax steps for a safe transaction. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay up to date with all the latest tips, advice, and insights about living and thriving in France, consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you will never miss out on future videos that would help you navigate the ins and outs of life in France. Thank you very much.